let your front knee bend as you lengthen the heel downward and you're lengthening your spine. Okay. And then you're shifting back, bending your back knee as you straighten your front. And then you're doing that. You're pivoting forward, front knee bends. You're pivoting back, back knee bends. Okay, so it's a mobility movement. You're getting whole body exploration here, pivoting back and forth. This is awesome. You could stay here. If you're like me, I'm always trying to play around. So maybe when you go towards the front leg, you can lift the back one. Maybe when you go to the back, you can lift the top of the foot to get a deeper stretch, right? So play. Migrate to slightly different variations if you're up for it. Ooh, so this is another migration. I'm looking back. So make it useful for you. I would say do the looking side to side business if your upper body is tight. So that's going to help loosen that up. Okay. And then